In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in Blender. There are only two planes in the scene, and only one of them has an ocean modifier added. The camera is pointing at the smaller plane, and that mesh is using a semi-transparent material. Here are the full nodes. The detailed illusion we saw in the final render image was produced by utilizing the volume and the displacement nodes. Please remember to increase the transmission value to see through this mesh. The ground mesh is using a plane with blue color, but if we remove that we'll only see a cloud-like pattern. For the environment light, I'm using the sky texture. I'll select the volume node, and type M to disable it. Please activate the Node Wrangler add-on to use that feature. We'll see more details with the volume node turned on. I didn't use the alpha node to make this material transparent, because we can barely see the patterns that way. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.